creates thousands of miles of new scenic, historic, and recreational trails, cares for our historic battlefields, strengthens our national park system. In my first months of office, I signed a public lands bill that many of you worked on that designated 2 million acres of wilderness, over 1,000 miles of wild and scenic rivers, and 3 national parks. Not only because of its richness of history and culture and science, not only because of its scenic beauty that attracts over 3 million visitors every year, more than icons like Mount Rushmore and the Grand Tetons, but because the story of the San Gabriel Mountains is in many ways the story of America. I'd have some people say, in the same breath, protect this beauty and scenic areas and make sure that nobody's polluting it, and then, oh, and by the way, let's get going on some oil drilling at the same time.